Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the list tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview where you can see content samples. Click in the left corner of the preview to toggle content views. Available content views are top 5, top music, or top movies. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Available customizations are content format. Select images or video. Content views include top 5, top music, or top movies. Select to randomize the order of the top lists. Choose your shape, 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, and set a limit to the number of items in the feed. The available delivery methods for the image format are HTML, Media RSS, and Direct URL. Available delivery methods for the video format are Media RSS and Direct URL. Click Create Feed to create your The List feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.